This is a quick connect off of a GM coolant system. This one specifically is off of an 04 Pontiac, but these connectors go on a wide range of GM coolant systems. In my case, I had pulled it off to do a head gasket repair, put it back on, it was leaking on me. So I pulled it apart and noticed I was missing a few of the internals for it, looked around and found them on the ground, believe it or not. It took me a second to figure out the orientation that the O-rings and the spacers go inside of the connector. Here's how they go. O-ring first, then it's gonna go this thin spacer, and the orientation of this one doesn't matter, it can go either way. Then you get your next O-ring in, and then it's gonna go with the thick spacer. And the thick spacer has a beveled side and a flat side. The beveled side is gonna go away from the O-ring. That's rebuilt. It's got both O-rings in there and both spacers in there. I like to shoot a little bit of grease in these. That way when they go back on, those O-rings are nice and juiced up so you don't tear them on accident, slipping that bad boy on. We'll go reinstall these guys and we should be leak free.